welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an app that allows you to scan the printed animal cards and witness how the animals come alive right before your eyes with a scan of your mobile device. If you are interested to this video, please keep on watching. Now first is we need to open the Play Store. Then on the search bar, you have to type Animal 4D Plus. So you click that and then click install. So wait for the app to be installed and it will take some time. So once you're done installing the app, so you click open. So we're going to click allow. And then click allow again. Okay, now we're now on the Animal 4D Plus app. So all you have to do is to click OK. And then wait for it to launch the app. Okay, then close this. The next thing that we have to do is to print these cards. Now you can download it to the internet, to the Google. I'll show you how. First is you need a browser, and then all you have to do is to type Animal 4D and then go to images, and then all you have to do is to select this kind of image. So right click and then save images. So these are the images that we have to download. So make sure you follow and download this. So there. So once you type downloading the pictures, so you can now print it using your printer. So it should be like this. Like this. I just printed 3 for the sake of the demonstration. Now we're going to open the Animal 4D Plus app. On the Animal 4D app, so all you have to do is to scan your printed card using this. So I will show you what will happen when you scan the card using this app.
Giraffe. Turtle. Whale. Giraffe. Turtle. Whale. Turtle. Giraffe. Turtle. Whale.
Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please do not forget to comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.